Hello, everyone, and welcome to today's NoFomoCharts cryptocurrency video idea. Today is April 14, 2024, just about 9:15 p.m. Eastern Standard Time here in the USA on a Sunday. Bitcoin, extreme volatility in the short-term time frames, day trading, very volatile right now. The Bitcoin halving event is this week, April 19, 2024. We're going to have increased volatility this week. Right now, the price did fall down about 10% total outside of this symmetrical triangle. So the market's still hesitating, bulls versus bears. It's still 10 to 20% volatility. If the price continues to crash, negative 20% from the target would be about $53,000 Bitcoin. We already hit the 10% target, which is about $60,000 support. So just understand this is not healthy. It's not powerful, I should say, for the bulls. It's very, very choppy here. Very, very choppy. We want to make sure this is not going to turn into a double top on a weekly. That would seal the deal for the bearish move to the downside. I'm on a weekly chart now. We can see that we're still in an uptrend, and there's plenty of room to come down, all the way down to about $45,000 Bitcoin. I sold most of my coins as a swing trader and a day trader, took my profit well before the crash. However, we did have a nice bounce today. You can see that we crashed all the way down to 60,000, but we're bouncing up to 65. So we just really want to watch out for, will we reject, yes or no, below 66,000 and retest the lows of 60? However, it's probably dependent upon earnings and global news. So the rest of the market, total market cap here, index is very similar on the daily. It's still in an uptrend. We're still in a golden cross on the uptrend. And you can see we tested the 100 EMA. The next level down is 1.83 trillion. And the Fibonacci levels, we're just getting stuck between the 382 and the 236 right now. The weekly as well, we did have some choppiness on that price. This is healthy. However, you did see that we had this type of consolidation before. We have pulled back to EMAs as support. So we're starting to bounce off of our 20 EMA as we speak. Ethereum on the daily chart, still in the golden up cross. However, Ethereum's been in a more clear downtrend. So lower low, lower high, lower low. See if we get that lower high bounce to about 3,200. Hopefully it doesn't bounce lower high to make a new lower low. That would be bad, 27,000. I can also start to draw this type of action, this sideways channel. And if it breaks out, great. That's great for the bulls. But however, just watch out for this potential fake out down to 2,600 upon volatility having news. Binance Coin is very closely tracking Bitcoin. It's almost the same analysis. Consolidation sideways to a breakdown. Testing the 50 EMA. Watch out for this rejection. Probably one more time the shorts will try to attack, in my opinion. Down to 500, but 500 is the support level. If we lose that, 458 at 377 are the targets to the downside. Let's go to Solana. Solana, we had this double top up here at $200. Just remember that sometimes crypto, it went from 20 or 18 to $200. That's 1,000%, 10x profit on this coin. Okay, so even though we're in the golden cross, just want to watch out for, if this does not recover in a timely manner, probably about 3 months from now, Solana can be in trouble. History shows, however, that whenever we have these large pullbacks, including now, possibly, we do time measurement, about 2 to 3 months. 2 to 3 months. This one was 2 months before we get in the next rally. So it's only been crashing for about a month. We probably need 1, maybe even 2 more months to see if we can get continuation on Solana, because as long as we hold above the 106, which is the temporary 618 level, maybe we can get another bounce going 3 months from now. Just some food for thought. We'll do the last one here. XRP, some of these altcoins just falling outside of support levels. Now, this is significant for XRP because this is the first time we lost this major support trend line on the bottom side. We had some dips, we had some tests, dips and tests, and now we just crashed straight through the bottom floor. And you could see here, there was a little bit of warning sign. Yes, we had that golden cross. However, head and shoulders, lower low, lower high. Now, 50 cents is the resistance. Will we pierce back into 52, 53, or are we going to fall back and maybe create a double bottom, or hopefully not a downtrend on the downside? These are just ideas for Bitcoin. Remember, anything is possible with crypto depending on the news and the catalysts that are happening around the world. Just understand that the bottom of crypto was approximately January 2023. Okay, if I had to make one call, that was the bottom. So is this the final top of crypto, 75,000? Personally, I don't think so, based upon the 3 historical Bitcoin halving events in the past. Usually it takes 1.5 years to reach the next peak. It seems that we're just testing previous level all-time highs. That's what it seems like we're testing right now. So in the short term, most definitely we can have pullbacks down. But long term, hopefully, if we establish that level of support, maybe we could start a new uptrend 6, 9, 12 months from now. Thank you everyone for watching. If you like this video, go ahead and click follow on TradingView, YouTube, and X social media. Hit that like button boost. If you have a question, just ask me in the comments, and I hope you have a nice trading week. See you in the next video. Bye-bye.